Okay, I'm going to give you a little bit more information about the parent portal. Again, up here is the user menu. Here is where I could change any settings. I could log off up here. Notification bell, I would click this and that would tell me about any grades or absences that have been marked. Okay. If I click, so by default, it's going to open at Message Center. If I click today, it's going to tell me exactly what's going on today. Here is my child's schedule for today with times. Here are any assignments that have been entered into Infinite Campus that are due today. Okay, so this is a way to get a focus of exactly what you need to be doing today, right? And we covered the calendar, assignments, grades, attendance, schedule. Let's look at documents. So what can I do here? I can see just the current year. I can click on the schedule, and what it's going to do is open the schedule in a PDF document that I can then print or have saved to my computer, have easier access to if that's what I want, if I don't want to be clicking through the today or the schedule. If I click on more, it's going to give me information about address information, any behavior, if there was behavior logged. Okay, you can access a lot more information through Infinite Campus here. Also takes me to some quick links, just the Buffalo City School District, any documents. Here's some computer take-home guidelines. So this is a great way to get access to quick links from one website. And then when I click on this, you can see it doesn't open a new menu. All it does is take away this sidebar. So what I'm looking at is full screen. So all I did was click this and it takes what I'm looking at full screen. Okay, so quick overview, Message Center, that's your opening screen. Today, what's happening today? If you want to know, click here. Remember, verify information with Schoology because we are syncing with Infinite Campus, but Schoology probably has more up to date at any exact moment. Calendar, I can click on the calendar and see what assignments are coming up or were due. So I can go back to September, click on assignments, and I can see the score for any assignment. Okay. Assignments, again, these are upcoming assignments. To get missing work, click on the missing tab. Grades, here you access grades, scroll down for all the courses. Gradebook updates, this just gives you a snapshot. These are the things that were recently entered into the gradebook. Okay, so I can have a quick view, all courses. It would be very similar to what would be in the bell. Okay. Attendance, again, here's attendance snapshot. Here is schedule. Remember, I can change based on quarters, or I can scroll down for letter days. Documents, that's going to allow me to open a file of the schedule. And more is giving me some important Buffalo schools links, but also ways to see what information is in Infinite Campus for my family. Okay, and there you have a quick overview of Infinite Campus.